എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഗ്രാഫിക്സിൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു അധ്യായത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ടോപ്പിക് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഫിറ്റിങ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. ഫിറ്റിങ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്രോബ്ലം നമ്പർ 1ലേക്ക് പോകാം. ഫിറ്റിങ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ സാധാരണയായിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പൈപ്പിൻ്റെ ഓരോ ഫിറ്റിങ്സാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ കാണുന്നത്. ഇപ്പം എക്സാമ്പിൾ എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് പൈപ്പിൻ്റെ എൽബോവിനെ കുറിച്ച് എടുക്കാം. എൽബോ ഇവിടെ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഫിഗർ നമ്പർ 1ൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു എൽബോവിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പാണ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ഷേപ്പിൽ as you know that there will be a shape of elbow which is having one side is having a diameter of 50 diameter and another is also having a diameter of 50 and its length is 80 mm and another one is 850 mm and part B is having an angle of 30 degree. So this figure is given as for a elbow. How we are going to develop it? So in the right side it is given as the development of this elbow. So how we are going to draw it actually? So before that we have to use this as a cylinder actually. So as you know, you can see that there will be two cylinders. Suppose you imagine that there will be two cylinders A and B. So how we are going to develop a cylinder? So as we studied already that when we have a cylinder, what we do is we will draw a semicircle. A semicircle, and we make it a small parts actually. We cut it or small parts and then we will project it, open it actually. And we can see that there will be a rectangle shape. I will draw it. See here, we will take this as a first cylinder part actually. Here I am taking as a first cylinder. And I name it as a part actually. And so this will be a first cylinder which is having a diameter of 50 and a length of 80. Then I am going to develop it actually. So before that I'm going to develop it in the horizontal section actually. So I'm going to open it as a here. You can see that there will be a rectangle shape. When I open it, I can see that there will be a rectangle shape. And then when a cutting plane, I am using a cutting plane like this actually. When I am using a cutting plane, and we can project it out like here actually. The lines you can project it. And mark it each and every. When I draw a semicircle here, and you can see there will be lines over here actually, and these lines I can also show here. Yes, and the horizontal lines make some points here, and you can draw shape like this. I hope you didn't understand actually. So first I will draw it. So first one, I have to draw a 50 mm diameter a cylinder. Imagine a 50 mm diameter cylinder. I draw it. 50 mm. And it is having a width of 80 mm and 50 mm diameter. Then I am going to open it actually. So when I open it, I just horizontally draw it like you know that there will be a rectangle shape. I will get a rectangle shape. When a cylinder open, I will get a rectangle shape of a development actually. So this is part A actually. I hope clearly understand. Then I make a hemisphere here actually. I'm going to a hemisphere. So or there you can draw like here also you can draw it, because the cutting plane is coming here, so that is why you can draw a hemisphere like this. So I am drawing a hemisphere and I draw vertical lines actually, isn't it? Or forget about this actually. 1 minute. I will have to. Then so this rectangle, you can draw this rectangle shape. Here you can draw the rectangle, and you can make an equal number of parts actually. So this is 80 mm height actually, and as you know that there will be this distance actually. How much this distance? This surface actually, this is 50 diameter, so you can open, so 50 into pi actually, that is the surface area. So you can take it as a length actually 50 into pi, and you will get the distance, and you can make it as a number of parts actually. So I'm just cutting it into different number of parts actually. Okay, different number of parts, you got it. And now 8 number of parts actually, and then you have to draw the cutting line. So this cutting line, so you just draw from this point to horizontal line. Okay, and this will be the end of the line. That end of the line is coming into the fifth point actually. So here's the fifth point, and then when in the center line where it passes through, center line passes through third and this seventh position, and you will get each and every points like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 points will you get, and you got it a, yeah, I got it like a shape of this. Okay, a parabolic shape you will got it. And this will be the part actually. I'll draw like yeah, so this will be the development. The green line shows the development of the A part actually. Okay, the green line shows the A part of the development. Similarly, in the B part also you have to draw like this. Okay, so how you are going to draw it actually for the B part actually, you'll just draw the yeah, a rectangle like this. Okay, divided into equal number of parts actually similarly. Okay, then this cutting line will be coming here actually. So draw like horizontal. Okay, what are the corresponding meeting points? Here you can see this meeting points actually 1 2 3 4, and draw like a figure like this also similarly. Okay, so there will be two parts. First is the bigger cylinder, and second one is a smaller cylinder. Okay, two part A and B. Okay, A and B, two parts, and that you have to draw like this, first part and the second part actually. Okay, two parts. So that is how this problem is you can solve. Okay, this is actually two cylinders, we connecting as a two cylinder actually, and a cutting plane is given actually. Okay, like this shape, right? I hope you understand this one. Okay, and we are moving to second problem. In this problem there will be a 90-degree rectangular elbow is given actually. Okay, 90-degree rectangle elbow is given actually. This somewhat is isometric shape, and also a side view is given, and we have to draw its orthographic view, and yeah, and the development also. Okay, so here it is given as a here you can see that this first and the second and third is given actually. So we have to development and develop its all views actually. You will be provided actually for this shape actually. You will get this isometric this shape, and also this orthographic shape also. Okay, so you have to develop this third part actually. Okay, this third part, right? So there will be some steps. I will tell you this how we are going to draw this one. Okay, so before solving this we have to draw the front view and top views of the elbow, and name is the corner as shown in the figure. Okay, so first we have to draw the front and top views of the elbow and name the corners actually. So what will be the front view actually? Front view will be, yeah, like this shape will be there actually. So this shape is we have to draw actually in the first. Okay, and then the top view we have to draw it. As you know this shape, we will understand this shape how this. So when you draw you can see that there will be a shape like this actually. So from the starting point A B C, then D and E and F and this, so this will be a side. Okay, and A is having corresponding A1 B1. Okay, so there will be another shape. So you can divide this into a two number of parts actually, M and N actually. Okay, you can divide this having a m part and n part actually. Okay, so first we will develop this n part actually. Okay, first we are going to develop this n part. How we are going to develop the n part actually? So this will be the n part development actually. As you know that there will be when you open it actually. See, so this will be like here you can see a shape like this is corresponding, there will be line and here and that side also. Okay, yeah, so that will be the end part actually. So end part you can see that there will be a 40 length from here. So when you cut from this point actually, a point where you can cut it like yeah, this E and F. Okay, E and F means this part you are just to open this part actually. Okay, you are going to cut by this part. See, imagine that you just having a scissor and you just cut this part actually. Okay, E and F, E and F part. Okay, okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F. That means in the there will be a like that outside part. That's actually like yeah, the corner of that side actually. Okay, not this one, the corner of the other side actually, not this one, the corner of other side. Okay, like that side actually. Yeah, I'll write actually. Yeah, so that side of corner actually we have to cut it. Okay, I'm going to open it. Okay, so you will get E and F actually. So suppose you imagine that you are going to see from here this way. Okay, this way you when you open it you can see that there will be a 40 40 where the 40 is comes actually. So 40 comes when you put it in the bottom actually. Okay, when you put in the bottom you will get the 40 actually. So that 40 you have to draw like this actually. E and F part will be there 40 and then when you have open it you will have the side 25 so this 25 and then again you open it you will get another 40. So there will be a 40 in the back side 25 and then 40 again. So then again 40 then again that side other side 25 you will get another side 25. Okay, so in the first you will get the 40 side actually. This side is 40, so this side is 40 and other side is 40. So other side is 40 and the that opposite corner will having a structure like this. Okay, so that it will be the structure like this. And then top side you can see here C and C1, that is C and C1, and then C2 again the this side will be here actually, that is a CB CF actually. So that is a CF, you can draw it. And then again in the bottom line, this line you will get this line here actually. Okay, so you will get a shape like this actually. Okay, yeah, this will be the shape you just drawn here actually. Okay, so you will get, so how it is actually, there will be a 40, that 40 you drawn it, and then 25, then 25. So once more I'll draw like a red color. 40 actually, the 40, then 25, then 25, then again 40 comes, again 40 it comes, and then again 25, then again 25 it comes. Okay, then the height will be, first one here the height, so that height you have to draw here. Okay, how much that will be the height actually? Yeah, that will be the 25 minus with the 70 actually, 70 minus 25. Okay, so that will be the height actually here, 70 minus 25. Okay, so that will be the height, so that will be around 35, isn't it? Sorry, 45 will be the height. And then again this 40 and this slide, and then again 40, then again this 25 width actually. Okay, then you will get when you close it you will get this shape actually. Okay, all the shape you will get it. So the total length will be 25 plus 40 plus 40 plus 25, that's equal to 130. You will got it. Okay, now when we are going to draw its top view, when you see, that's all. When you see the from the top view you can see that there will be a 40 here, 40 here, so a 40 square will be there. So you have to draw a 40 square actually. Okay, a 40 square. Then when you see it's from it's a side view, you will get a side view figure how it is 25, here it is 70. So this will be the yeah, so this will be the side view actually. You will get like a shape like this. Okay, so that will be the side view shape, you will got it. Okay, already got it like this shape. So its height is 70 and the side is 25, and this will be the B and N, and the D is 25. So this shape will be given. Now another shape is yeah, this one. How to open this one in the development of the M actually, M phase actually. So we already completed N phase and now we are have to M part actually. So how we are going to M part is opened actually. So the M part is this part is on alone is the M part actually. So how we are going to we know that there will be a square shape will be there. Yeah, a square will be available in the top and bottom, but bottom is having a very lesser shape actually, isn't it? Not completed M actually. I think you didn't understand. So what we are going to draw is here this shape we are going to draw like what I'm going to draw. Yeah, yeah, this shape we are going to draw. So how we got it actually? So what we do is this development, in this development you can see that yeah, so in this shape first you have to draw the M actually. So what is the length of the M actually? It is 40 actually. And this side actually, side is just like a shape like this actually. Okay, a shape like yeah, I'll draw here. A side will be the shape like this. So that you are going to open it actually. You are going to open it here, like open it, then you will got a shape like this. Yeah, so that is actually the total side, the thickness is 25 actually. So this is 25, 25, and that 25 you draw here actually, and the thickness will be 25 also. So that thickness is 25, and this length is also, yeah, this length you will got this length actually, and that also. And so 25 you draw it, and 25, and you will get up to reaching here actually, this spot. Okay, similarly here also, similarly here 25, and then height is also 25, and this width is, total width is 40. So that is up to here, you join it like shape. Okay, and that will be the M part actually. And now corresponding this AF actually, how this AF is coming actually. So you will got it this shape, and yeah. And then 40 mm height actually, and this 40 mm height is the final part is the bottom part actually. Bottom part you will got it like a small shape. I will write actually. Okay, the bottom part you know that there will be AF, this AF part, this part will be a small square will be available. You see a small square will be available in here actually. That AF part will be draw like this shape actually. Okay, AF part is a drawing like this. Okay, so that is length is 40 and width is actually 20 minus 40 minus 25. So this will be the length is 40 and this will be the 25. So 40 minus 25, gives 15 actually. Okay, that 15 is the width of this here. Here you will get so this part is 25 actually, sorry, 15 actually. This thickness is 15. Okay, so this thickness is going to here actually. This thickness 15 actually. Okay, so that small portion you got it now, small portion, the end side you will got a small portion. So that portion is this one actually. Okay, this one. So that is 15 mm actually. Okay, so in this problem a 90-degree rectangular elbow, you can see that there will be two part, M part and N part. In the right side we will develop this in the M part, and in the left side we will develop in the in the right side we will develop in the N part, and left side we will develop in the M part actually. Okay, now I think you clearly understand about this problem. Okay, and I think this problem is a little bit confused for you, because you are in the first time for solving this problem, but you just try it on it actually. Okay, you just try it in the home, and in the try to draw in the in a paper, and you will clearly understand actually. So this is only you have to clearly understand about the measurements actually, and measurements, what are the measurements, and you imagine you have to clearly cut out two parts actually, and then try to open it actually. Okay, try to open it. So in the M part, once more I tell you, in the M part will be like in the upper part actually, like this shape is like here. You will got a shape like here, and the inside you can see that there will be a line like this actually. Okay, so this shape is M part, and this one, you when you cut it from the AF, you start to cut with the part AF. You just using a scissor, you just cut here actually, AF part. So that AF is starting here actually. Okay, AF is starting here, and then it's going to C. So it is going to C, and here it is going to B. So it is going to B, and from the B to C to C1, C to C1, and to here B to B1, here B to B1. Okay, and then C1 to that side is C1 to F1, so C1 to F1, and here B to A1, and in the bottom part F1 to F, A1 to A, then completed it. Okay, so that will be the easiest way. Okay, and the other part, like here you can see that in the end part I already told you. Anyway, so just try it in your home actually, draw it, this one. This will be a very easier, and anyway, we will meet you in the next class. Anyway, thank you.